guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into 3D printing, photography, drones, tech, apparently pools, and whatever interests me, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. We're talking about a vacuum cleaner for the swimming pool here. And we're talking about the INTEX Vacuum Cleaner. All the links for that will be down in the description. And I must say, works pretty amazingly. Let's roll the intro first and let's talk about it. Very simple vacuum cleaner. As you can see, there's a head here you use to clean. There's a filter inside you take away, take off. You can even put a thicker filter. It was included in the box, but I'm using this. This is fine for me. I mean, I live in the south of Italy, and lately it's raining sand. So all the sand gets on the bottom of the swimming pool, and I have no idea how to take it away, but this solves the problem. This will not work with very, very thin particles, but for sand and whatever, like debris that finishes in the swimming pool, it's kind of perfect. Let's test this machine. As you can see, it has one button here. So in order for you to clean it, you just open it and get this like net and wash it under the sink. Apart that, there's nothing much else to do. I mean, you need to put it on the charge with a cable. Cable will not have a power brick, so you need to hook it up on your power brick, and don't lose the cable because it's proprietary from INTEX. All the other adapters will not work. So if you lose it, it's gonna be a problem. So I didn't want to get too much technical on this vacuum pool cleaner, but it's a great product. I mean, all the links to buy it again will be down in the description. I had it here laying around for a couple of years. I had never actually used it, and the first time I used it is because my pool cleaner was not working, and I said, okay, let's give it a try. And I felt the need to review this product. I mean, I bought it myself as a backup for the Robo. Robo was the Robo was working perfectly, and now here in the south of Italy, it's like really, really hot, and every time it rains a little bit, it brings some sand from probably the desert in the Sahara. Wind and heat are like moving towards the Apulian coast, and when it rains, it's all like dust coming down. And I must say that this vacuum cleaner is great for that kind of sand. Like as you saw in the video, it like really, really takes away all the impurity from the bottom, and it works great with harder particles, like with sand and stuff like that. I found the only thing that it didn't work good is, like, you know, when you use there's a special product that you put in the swimming pool. In Italian it's called flocculante. It's a product that like you use to make the water like crystal clear. I mean, I don't need that anymore, but last year I think I tried it on, and the particles that this product leaves are really, really thin. So I used it with the same black net, and it didn't work properly. Probably the net was too big and the small particles used to get out from the side of the vacuum cleaner. But nonetheless, it's a really, really great product, as you saw. and I strongly suggest it as a backup to a pool cleaner. Or it could be great if you have you know, the inflatable spas, or like a really small spa, and take away the debris from the bottom. So highly suggested. That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you did like the video. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.